On July 26, 2018, around 5 in the morning, Officer Brianna Tedesco was on routine patrol in Lakemore, Illinois, a little over a year into the job. She came across an SUV parked oddly on a gravel road near a golf course, lights off, backed onto a private property. She decided to investigate and, after running an identity check on the driver, it came back void, and that's when this happened.
King Henry Lincoln 4596. King Henry Lincoln 4596. No!
If you stop,
I'll leave.
Okay,
I'll
let
leave.
go.
No!
Let go.
No!
Let go.
Hey, no! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! No! 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 Please don't shoot me! Please! Please! Please don't shoot me!
8521, shots fired by the police. One suspect down.
Oh my God.
He pulled the trigger, but the gun didn't fire. Hearing the call for help, another officer, Anthony Loiacono, raced to the scene and fired a single fatal shot, striking the man in the head. Investigators later identified the man as 36-year-old Kenneth Martell, wanted for a violent murder committed just 3 days earlier back in Pennsylvania, where he'd tied up, robbed, and stabbed to death an 88-year-old man during a home invasion. He'd fled the state since, and a search of his vehicle in the surrounding woods turned up even more weapons, handguns, rifles, shotguns, and a crossbow. Reviewing the case afterward, the Lake County State's Attorney's Office ruled the shooting justified, citing the immediate threat both officers had faced. This next dashcam footage was captured on the morning of January 5, 2024, on Interstate 40 just outside Oklahoma City. Deputy Jose Tayahua Mendoza had pulled over a 16-year-old named Mason Treat over his license plate, and he was standing at the passenger window talking to the teen when this happened.
Okay, I tell you what. I was gonna give you a written warning for the license plate. I'm not even gonna do that. I don't want that to show.
Hurry up. 362, is it a Canadian County or Oklahoma? Canadian County.
I don't care about it.
Out of nowhere, a pickup truck came barreling into them at full highway speed. The driver had fallen asleep at the wheel, sideswiping the deputy's cruiser before plowing straight into Mason's car, hitting it so hard it went through the highway's sound barrier wall. Both of them survived, but barely. Mason needed brain surgery and was left with 8 broken ribs, while the deputy came away with a shattered ankle and elbow. Worse still, troopers on the scene took nearly 10 minutes to check on the badly injured teenager. One was even caught on the dashcam saying, "I don't care about them," and Mason's family eventually sued everyone involved. As for the deputy, the sheriff put it plainly. Had he walked up to the driver's side that morning, like officers usually do, he wouldn't have survived. On April 7th, 2026, Rosemary Martin was driving home after a concert in North Las Vegas. Just a seemingly normal day when a red Tesla cut her off at an intersection. She honked just like most drivers would, something that seemed minor in the moment, and that's when things took an unexpected turn.
Go! Yeah, go ahead, bitch. I ain't stupid enough to fucking follow you, asshole. Hey Siri, call 911.
Disturbingly, as the Tesla pulls up beside her, Rosemary catches sight of the driver holding up a gun, something the dashcam never clearly captures. It's impossible to know what the woman intended to do with it, but from that moment, Rosemary wasn't dealing with an angry driver anymore, and things were only about to get more dangerous for her.
911, do you need police, fire, medical?
Police.
What's the address of the emergency?
I just got off of the Cheyenne exit of the 15, and I am turning down 5th Street.
Rather than driving away, the Tesla begins following her, and what follows stretches on for nearly 10 to 12 minutes as both vehicles wind through the streets of North Las Vegas.
Emergency there?
There is a red Tesla following me. She threatened me with her gun.
Okay. There was someone in a red Tesla following you off of the freeway?
Yes.
And they had a gun?
Yes.
Okay, are they still following you?
Yes, they are.
Okay, what type of vehicle are you in? What color, make, and model?
I'm in a blue Honda Accord Sport.
Okay. And did he point the gun at you, or did he just brandish it?
She pointed the gun at me, and she just threw something at my car, and I also want to let you know that I am armed as well.
Okay, are you still driving westbound on Cheyenne? What road are you crossing?
I'm on 5th going north.
You said you're going northbound on 5th now?
Yes.
Alarmingly, the Tesla only grows more reckless as the chase continues, weaving between cars at speeds no city road is meant for and slamming its brakes right in front of her. At one point, even throwing itself into reverse in the middle of the roadway as if trying to block her path. At several points, it looks like someone inside is about to step out while the car is still moving.
Okay, what I'm going to do is guide you down to one of our police stations where you can meet officers, okay?
Okay. Please be fast because I'm speeding and they're coming out.
I understand. I have the call set up.
I'm coming up to a red light. Craig.
Okay. You said you're going towards Craig?
Yep.
I need you to take a right-hand turn on Craig.
Alright. Goldfield.
Okay.
Coming up on Commerce. Coming up on Commerce.
Okay. I need you to go southbound on Commerce for me.
Southbound? Towards the strip, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I need you to go southbound. I'm going to guide you down to our station at Las Vegas Boulevard and Civic Center.
Great.
intersection I'm leading you to is Las Vegas Boulevard and Civic Center to the Municipal Court. It's our police station, okay? We do have officers driving to you. It's just to get you to our station to be safe. Yes, ma'am. You're doing a good job.
She's gonna try to make me stop.
Are they still behind you?
No, they're in front of me now. All right, you said a left on Cary, right?
Yes, ma'am, a left on Cary.
All right, I went left on Cary.
Guided turn by the dispatcher, Rosemary makes it to the North Las Vegas police station near Las Vegas Boulevard and Civic Center Drive. And the moment she pulls in with officers in view, the Tesla peels off and disappears. Only then, sitting in safety, does everything that just happened catch up with her. Her dashcam footage and the 911 audio spread across the internet within days, with millions reacting to how fast one honk at an intersection turned life-threatening. Rosemary filed a full police report and handed over the footage, which captured the car, the people inside, and part of the license plate. But as of now, the investigation remains open, with no arrests made and no suspects publicly named. In the end, she reached safety unharmed and made it home to her daughter, though it's hard not to think about how differently that night could have gone if she'd stopped. On February 24th, 2023, just after midnight on I-80 East in Allamachi Township, New Jersey, troopers were on scene dealing with the aftermath of an earlier crash. Police vehicles lined the shoulder and right lanes, emergency lights flashing in the dark. Cones were set out and traffic was moving slowly past. Then suddenly, headlights appeared in the distance. A speeding tow truck blew past the warning signs and slammed into the police vehicles and an ambulance parked nearby. No troopers were inside the vehicles at the moment of impact, likely saving their lives. Troopers rushed to the wreckage and pulled the paramedic out. He escaped with only minor injuries. When everything finally came to rest, 3 police cars lay crushed along with the ambulance. Miraculously, no one died, and the truck driver was later charged with careless driving. On a late-night patrol in Falsier, Texas, Sergeant Charlie Scott was driving down a quiet stretch of highway when his dashcam captured something deeply unsettling. Scott slams on his brakes, jumps out, and runs toward her, calling out as he approaches. He helps her to her feet, but she stumbles, barely able to keep her balance. Scott quickly pulls her off the road to safety. She was later identified as Jeanette Murillo. As it turns out, she had crashed her car into a ditch about 200 yards down the road, then walked back up the roadway, only to pass out moments later. She was arrested for public intoxication and released 2 days later. One unnoticing driver, and this could have ended horribly. On February 21st, 2020, 2 American tourists, Logan Howard and Aaron Payzant, were on vacation in Mexico for 1 month. They visited a back road in a rural area to birdwatch, and then they noticed a car following them.
There's another car coming up behind us. What way should I go? Straight or right? That's not right. I guess straight? I don't know. I don't know either. Just pick one. I'm gonna pick straight. bike on this road, so there must be civilization somewhere over here.
Looks like there's a town up here, or a little village.
The car behind us is kind of scaring me how fast they're going.
I know, they're going quick. It's not scaring me.
It's scaring me because what if they're speeding up on us to rob us or something?
I doubt that. They probably just drove this road lots of times.
Without warning, the truck suddenly pulled across the road ahead, blocking their path. Armed men jumped out and rushed toward their vehicle, pointing rifles directly at them through the windshield. Aaron and Logan froze and started begging them not to shoot. But as the men got closer and saw them clearly, they seemed to realize these weren't the people they were looking for. They lowered their weapons and started trying to calm them down.
Oh my God, they have guns. Jesus, Jesus.
Go, 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 go,
No,
go,
no, 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 please,
Aaron, go.
please, 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 what? Please, please, please. Please, what? Please, what? No, Espanol, please. We're just... Please.
Logan and Aaron, still shaken, tried to explain in broken Spanish and gestures that they were just photographers looking for rare birds and heading to a nearby city. They pointed to their camera equipment in the back seat. Before letting them go, the men warned them about the road ahead. If they continued in this direction, they'd likely encounter far more dangerous groups, people who wouldn't ask questions first.
Please, please.
No problem, okay?
I'm about to pass out.
No problem.
Logan, don't. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
No problem, okay? What? You will.
Can we go?
Well done.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Una foto de...
Están perdidos.
Please, please,
Yeah,
please.
no, okay. Hey, no. Easy.
No pasa nada.
No problem. Hey,
Okay.
easy, okay? Hey, ¿dónde? Cancún. ¿Dónde?
You okay?
We're gonna see mi madre.
You where?
Cancun.
You? Sí, no problem.
No problem.
No pasa nada.
Tranquilo, pero...
No pasa nada.
What's your name?
Aaron.
¿Eh? Ya observé.
Ya que se vayan ya.
What's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron.
See.
You?
Logan.
Edwin.
What's your name?
Philip.
Philip.
No
Can
problem.
you speak English a little?
A little.
Please don't kill us.
The experience shook them so deeply that they refused to drive their car back. They left it in Mexico and flew home instead, only reuniting with their vehicle 2 years later. Aaron and Logan survived the encounter, but had they made the mistake of reversing when the armed men first approached, they almost certainly would have been killed. If you enjoy videos like this, subscribe for more.